Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to update your age on Facebook. This process can be a bit confusing if you're new, but I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. Find the Facebook app on your phone. It should be on your home screen or in your app list. Tap on the Facebook icon to open it. Once the app is open, look for 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu button. You'll find it at the bottom right or top right of your screen. Tap on it. In the menu, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it. Now tap on Settings. Tap on See More in Account Center. In the Account Center, find Personal Details and tap on it. On the Personal Details page, you'll see an option called Birthday. Tap on it. Now tap Edit to update your age. A calendar will appear. Select the correct month, day, and year for your birth date. Once you're done, tap Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your age on Facebook. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.